Well, Google Apps is a cloud-based platform offered by Google that provides document processing, spreadsheets, and presentation software that can be accessed online from anywhere, from any device. That would be comparable to something like Microsoft Office, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. With Google Apps, you can create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations online. Well, again, it's cloud-based, so that means that there's no software to install. The only thing you need to access the software is a web browser, preferably Google Chrome, but doesn't have to be. That means you can access the software from a PC, from a Mac, from a tablet, or even from a smartphone, and get the same experience. It's the same version. There's no more issues with which version of Microsoft Office that you may have. So in a mobile world, I can create a Google Doc on my PC. I can then leave the office and pull that same doc up on my smartphone and make edits and changes to it, or share it with a friend from my smartphone, and those changes are continually synced to that document. That's actually the collaboration feature of Google Apps is one of my favorite features. For one, I can create a document and I can share that document with other users. When I share that document, I can decide whether I want those other users to be able to view only, or if they want to be able to make changes as well. For example, I can share a document with a coworker. That coworker can access that document from their office, from their home, from their mobile device, at the same time I'm accessing that document. I can see their changes in real time, they can see my changes in real time. So that makes it a really great collaboration tool, great for online brainstorming sessions. I can leave a comment about a specific section of that document. Next time he pulls that document up, he can see my comments, he can reply back to my comments, and we can create a dialogue back and forth about those changes. We can also do real-time chat right inside the document while we're editing the document. So, and that works with Google Docs, which is the word processing app, Google Sheets, which is the spreadsheet app, as well as Google Slides, which is the presentation app. When you're collaborating on a document, Google will assign a different color to each user. Okay, so for example, my cursor may be blue and your cursor may be green. So as you're making edits to the document, I can see your green cursor moving around the document in real time, and you can see my red cursor move around the document in real time. With a Google document, I can download that document at any time I want as a different format. I can download it as a Word document, I can download it as a PDF document, I can download it as a rich text document, or even an open office document. I can also email that document at any time, and when I email that document as an attachment, I have the ability to attach it as an HTML file, as a Word file, as a PDF file, or as a text file. It is a cloud-based platform, so it's designed to be connected to the internet in order to access it. But it does have offline capabilities. So for example, if you travel a lot, like I have a laptop, I work primarily from a laptop. So if I am not connected to Wi-Fi, I traditionally cannot access the internet, nor could I access my Google Drive, my Google Apps, my Gmail for that matter. But with those products, there is what's called offline capabilities. And once that's set up, it essentially creates a synchronized version of your files on your local hard drive. So when you are offline, you can edit, create new documents, and then that information is then all synced back to your cloud-based documents once you reconnect to the internet. I would say it's very similar, and here's my findings. I'm an IT person, right? So I've been using Google Docs almost exclusively for going on 6 years now. And I almost never use Word or Excel or even PowerPoint anymore, unless I absolutely have to for a client or a particular file that happened to be formatted that way. What I like about Google Docs is it's fast, it loads quickly, and it has the features I need. What I've found is that although Word is a great product, as well as Excel and PowerPoint, 95% of the users out there aren't using all those features. They want to type a letter, they want to do some simple formatting, and they may never touch on all those other features that Word has to offer. So in my opinion, Google Docs does everything that most users need without all the bells and whistles of what Word may offer, and it provides it in a clean, fast, and simple interface. If you know how to type a Word document, you will know how to use Google Docs and Google Spreadsheets and Google Presentations, because the interface is very, very familiar and very similar. There's two different versions per se. For your consumer who already has a Gmail account, who may be interested in a Gmail account, which is Google's email platform, you get access to all these features and functionality for free because a Gmail account is free, and with your Gmail account you get access to Google Calendar as well as Google Apps, which includes Docs, Sheets, and Slides. On a business side, which is referred to as Google Apps for Business, it's a per user fee of $50 per user per year, and it gives you all the same Google app features and functionality. The only difference is instead of @gmail.com, your email address would be at your domain name. So you would have all of this functionality. It would look and feel the same as your own personal Gmail account, but it would be under your own company's domain name. Well, SimpleTech, we can speak from experience, first of all, because we use it every single day. I'm also a certified Google Apps educator and in the process of becoming a Google Apps for Business reseller. So what we can do is we can answer your questions. We can provide implementation and transition services, so setting up your accounts, migrating your email and calendars from your previous platform, whether that's Microsoft Outlook or another email platform, into Google, and then also provide ongoing support and training to get you and your users up to speed on the software.